Okay, guys, I have a oh my gosh, I have the freaking hiccups, bro. So sorry about that. But we're gonna start off with PacSun. These are both from Brandy. This first one is this New York like shirt with a guitar on it, and it's really cute. And then I got this like off the shoulder button up. Bro, my hiccups have been going on for like an hour. Next is Journeys. So these are actually so cute, bro. But I didn't know, like, there's no really trending shoes right now. So I low-key just got another basic. I just got these Sambas. Like, yeah, that's what I got from Journeys. I also got On Clouds, but I didn't get them from this shopping trip. And then from Tilly's, I got this Hawaiian hibiscus shirt, and it has like gems on it, and it's freaking adorable. And then I got this Malibu, California shirt with like a Mustang on it. It's really pretty. It's like a baby tee. And I got 2 pairs of jeans from Tilly's. I got this light wash, really cute. And then I also got, these are dark wash. I don't know why I said light wash. Well, they're like in the middle. And then I got these black jeans. So yeah, that's what I got today. Bye.